finished a part of this section and we are just wasting our time disconnections. All right, is the now is the screen shared? Can you see the screen? Everyone of you can see the screen?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So I was saying I is just you know, you can say a dummy random variable. Okay, we many times we define these as random variables where one value is 0 and the other value is 1. All right, so that we can concentrate on only this one. All right, so I have defined this random variable. And what is the advantage? Advantage is that I can write this thing 0 to t as 0 to infinity r of x I of x, because you know that what is I of x? I of x is nothing but 1 for x less than t. All right, and it is 0 for x greater. So even if you are going to infinity, it is actually 0 for x greater than t. So it doesn't matter, it is actually equal to 0 to t because it is 1 only from 0 to t. Is that your understanding? I can write this equation as this equation, no problem.
रिपीट
Right?
करें
Yes,
सर.
sir.
RFX सर रिपीट कर दीजिएगा जरा.
ठीक है ना, ये मैं इसको सॉल्व करना है ना, मैंने इसके लिए एक डमी रैंडम वेरिएबल बनाया है. द एडवांटेज इज दैट इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग इट लाइक दिस आई कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस. ऑलराइट,
ओके सर, इट मीन कि उसको 0 टू इनफाइनाइट आप ले गए तो फिर वो उसके साथ जो डमी वेरिएबल है वो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा
वो मल्टीप्लाई आ
रिगार्ड
जाएगा.
के.
हाँ, वो आप देखिएगा, ये इसका फायदा होगा, आप इसको एक्सपेक्टेशन की तरह लिख सकते हैं
सर.
ना. ठीक है. अच्छा, नाउ
जी सर.
putting using this fact in the next step. Now let us see what happens. So I take expectation on both the sides. Expectation of this is equal to expectation of this with the dummy variable. You know, expectation can always be taken inside because both are integrals, both are linear functions. Expectation goes inside. Then we know that r of x and I of x are independent because I of x is dependent on t. All right. T was totally independent of r of x. All right. I of x was just 1 when you are greater than t and less than, and 0 when is you less than t. So it is totally dependent on t, and t is independent of r of x. Both are independent. So, you know, if they are independent, you can always write their expectation as products, because, you know, independence is a very powerful tool as compared to correlation. So once they're independent, this means that they are definitely uncorrelated and you can write them separately. This we have studied many times before. All right. Now, what is the expectation of I of x? All right, there's some noise. Please stop talking so we could finish this thing. Now, expectation of I of x. Here comes the importance of this dummy variable. Expectation of I of x will be what? It is a binary random variable. All right. It will be this random variable times expectation plus this random variable plus this value times expected, because, you know, expectation of any function of a random variable is a value of the random variable times the you know, binary random variable. So if it has two values and if you want to find its expectation, so, you know, expectation of 1 will be times the random variable value, but this will be definitely 0 because random variable itself is 0. So this will totally go out. All right. So you will just have E of I of x. Instead, this is E of I of x, and E of I of x can just be written as the expectation only for the value when I of x is 1. When I of x 0, it will not contribute to the expectation. All right. ये आपको याद है ना, रैंडम वेरिएबल अगर आपके पास बाइनरी हो तो उसकी एक्सपेक्टेशन है वो कैसे निकलती है? एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ आई ऑफ एक्स will be random variable 1 times expectation when x is less than t, random variable 0 times expectation when x is greater than t. So this will totally go 0. You will only have this part, that expectation of this is 1 times the probability that x is less than or equal to t. All right. So you have just written x is less than or equal to, or you can say p probability that t is greater than x. Has everyone understood how I go from this to this step? सबको समझ आ गया? All right.
जी सर.
Okay. Now please see, how can I go from here to here? What is this thing? This is a probability that t is greater than x. All right. So I have done this here so everyone understand. Very, very simple. Okay, kya tha? Remember that t is a random variable. All right, exponentially distributed random variable. Now we know that CDF is equal to 1 minus e minus lambda x. All right, where x is the exponential distribution. So CDF, what is CDF? CDF is all the values summing all the probabilities from minus infinity to x. All right, or you can say from 0 to x, because you know f of x starts from 0, the same thing. So it is summing up all the probabilities up to x. But I want to find the probability that the random variable is greater than x. And this is telling me up till x. So greater than x will be just 1 minus this total. So 1 minus this total will be 1 minus 1 is 0, and minus this becomes plus. This will be just e minus lambda x, but lambda, you know, is equal to alpha. This will just become e minus alpha x. So you will just put it here, e minus alpha x. By doing this step, you have proven that the expectation of the rewards for exponentially distributed time t is actually the exact discounted expected value. And this is a very, very important result. All right, I think everyone have you understood by this point. We will finish the lecture here. There were also other examples I wanted to finish, but you know, because of this problem, I couldn't do it. But no problem. We will just take your attendance. All right, roll number 3.
Present, sir.
Roll number 4.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 6.
Present, sir.
Roll number 9.
Present, sir.
Roll number 10.
Present, sir.
Roll number 18.
Present.
Roll number 24.
Present, sir.
अच्छा 24 के बाद I think 27 ही है हमारा तो.
Present, sir.
Roll number 27.
Yes, sir. Present.
Roll number 28.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Roll number 30.
Present, sir.
Roll number 34.
Present, sir.
All right, I think all of you are present now and everyone has been marked. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I end.
Yes,
if
sir.
any of you have question, you can ask. Otherwise, I end the lecture. All right, so I end the lecture. I think you also have another class. All right, thank you very much.